Hey everyone! Welcome back to For Real. It's Anna here, and today we're diving into a little tech mystery. Why your emoji keyboard might have disappeared from your iPhone and how to bring it back. I mean, what's a text conversation without emojis, right? They add so much life to our chats. So let's get started on fixing this issue. Sometimes those little emojis just poof and vanish. This could be due to a software update, a glitch, or maybe it was accidentally deleted. But don't worry, we're going to fix it right now. First things first, let's make sure your emoji keyboard is selected. Open up an app where you can type like messages or mail. Tap the smiley face icon or hold down that globe icon and pick emoji from the list. Easy peasy, right? If the emojis are still hiding from you, let's check if they're even installed. Head into your settings, tap on General, then Keyboard. Select Keyboards and hit Add New Keyboard. You'll find emoji there. Just tap to install. If you're finding this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to For Real for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. We love hearing from you. Already have the emoji keyboard but still facing issues? Try removing and adding it back. Go to Settings, tap General, then Keyboard. Swipe left on emoji to delete and re-add it by following the same steps as before. This can often do the trick. Sometimes it's all about keeping things up to date. Go check if your iOS needs an update. Hit Settings, General, and then Software Update. If there's an update waiting, make sure you're on Wi-Fi, charge up your phone, and get your software updated. If nothing else works, resetting might be your last resort. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. You can either reset all settings or erase all content and settings. Remember, this is a big step, so back up your data first. And there you have it, folks. Your emojis should be back and ready to add some fun to your texts. Thanks for hanging out with me here on For Real. If you tried these steps, let us know how it went in the comments. Until next time, keep your chats colorful and your tech troubles minimal. Bye for now.